Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Taco Aval, and today I'm hearing a noise every time I start my car. I hear like a whining noise. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to eliminate this noise. We have to remove the starter, and it's everything related about the starter. So the starter needs to come out. So that's why I'm gonna remove all that. So stay tuned, guys, and let's see. Okay, so I got my car right here. So I'm gonna put the tripod right here so you guys can hear the noise. So I'm gonna start the car, and hopefully we can hear the noise, so you guys know what I'm talking about. It didn't do it this time. Do you hear it? There it is. So that is the noise that I'm talking about, guys. Hopefully you guys hear it. But for me, since my battery is big, so I'm gonna have to remove it, because might be able to take it from the bottom, but I don't wanna lose the mileage, you know, because my mileage is recording. If I remove this, you know, so man, I'm gonna have to take it. This is why, because my cluster is reading how many miles I have ran, and this still in full, and it's ran 372. So I like to record all my mileage. So what I done, I create this so it doesn't delete I create this connection connected to here, so it's feeding 12 volts to the system. It's feeding 12 volts, so I don't lose the mileage that it's being recorded. I know there's a kit online that it sells to do this, you know, so I can unplug the battery, and I'm not gonna have you know, the problem of deleting my trip. So stay tuned. Okay, mis amigos. Okay, my friends. I got the starter out. She's crunchy. She's a little bit crunchy. But this is what we're gonna do. This is where the problem is. This is too dry, and it's like making noise every time it spins. So we're gonna have to get some high-tech grease, and we're gonna have to remove the seal. We're gonna have to remove the seal from here. So you just find your, oh, I'm sorry, right here. Find yourself some like what's it called, like pick, something like a pick, and just stick it inside there, and just try to pry it out. There you go. So it's out now. Right here. I'm sorry you didn't see it. So now we're gonna pull this with the pliers, and we're gonna be trying to put grease in there like this. And remember, those wires right here are hot, so remember not to touch those. I'm gonna see if I can flip the no. What are you doing? What are you doing? My son is checking the level on the transmission So we are not changing the oil. We just checking the level. Right here has the, this is to check the level. The transmission oil level. So okay guys, like I was saying, try to find something to put grease in between the shaft. This shaft right here. Try to put as much as you can, because this thing needs some grease in it. As much as of the space holds, because I don't think you can put as much as you can. So I'm just gonna go like this. That's looking good. That is looking good. Try to squeeze it. Try to push it all the way down, man. Cause I'm tired of this squeaking noise every time I whining noise every time I start the car, and I don't like that. And I know it's normal, the mixed noise, because since I got the pump set for fuel mileage, it makes the starter crank longer period of time, and that's why it gets dry. So I'm not surprised. I think I got lifetime warranty on this starter. So now what you're gonna do, guys, is pull this rod and try to put grease in there while it's out. Try to put the grease in there and see. Now it's Now it's looking better. Totally better. So we're gonna leave it there, and we're gonna put the seal back in there. This seal will help to squeeze grease inside better. Huh? It's full? Okay, good. Just want to make sure. So there it is, guys, with the seal in there and the grease inside. So we're gonna put this back together now. So guys, there it is. I just put the starter, put the grease. I also put grease on the shifter, because it was looking pretty rusty. So so I can get better shift. I put the battery back in there, the battery tray, the battery, and let's hear if we fix the problem. I'm gonna put you guys right here, and we're gonna start the car. This is called starter because the car is not warm, but I can already hear the starter spins pretty good. Check it out. Very nice. So that fixed our problem. So guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. This is a little tip, because there is a lot of cars that it makes this noise, like whining noise. Once you start it, you hear like like making noise. So that's it. It's the starter. It's dry. It needs to get some lube in there, grease or something. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, give it a like if you like it, and don't forget I got the stickers taco a valve, so you can wear on your car or whatever you want to put them. So stay tuned.